So please, Tati and Scott, transform me into JLo. So now we have a Juju Calabar face, okay? Like, I'm ready to go and fight someone. So many people want to tan. Melanin deficiency. Anyways, good luck. This is not fair. Scott, there's something wrong. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Dominique, and once again, you're most welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to try and do a Scott BARNES with makeup. If you didn't know, and I myself, I didn't even know. It's JLO Lopez makeup artist. Let me see. This lighting is... Actually, look, if I follow his makeup, it means that he's doing my makeup. And because he's JLo's makeup artist, at the end of this makeup, I'm going to look like JLo. Like, people. If not, I want my money back. I want my money back. Anyways, let's start. I have my makeup industry here. So once I'm done with it, I'm another person. Like my before after. Don't even try. Don't even try. It's a new person. Like if I meet my husband or if I meet a man after this and you have a child, you will come after and tell me, look, you fooled me, like, and you're okay. Sorry, people. So when I'm done with this industry, I'm going to look. So please, Tati and Scott, transform me into JLo. Hey, people, advertisement. This advertisement. Should we skip it? No, we are not going to skip. Like, everybody needs money from AdSense. Hey!
How are you here right now? This is so cool. You guys have
This is so cool!
like 5,000 times. Highlight everything.
Blah, blah, blah. You love JLo. Okay, we got it. Yes, me as well. I want to look like JLo. Even if I'm black. You are not alone, Tati. Chit-chatting. People, I beg, start the makeup. I'm ready already. Like, I'm meeting my millionaire today. Anyways, while you people are talking, let me prepare my face. When is this tutorial starting, Tati? So you've been with JLo for 20 years. Oh yeah, okay. Scott, you are talking too much. I want you to do what you did on JLo's face the last 20 years. Oh, my face, beat my face. You people are talking 3 minutes already. You are talking. So Tati just said, Scott takes a bronzer and uses as eyeshadow. Takes people, those privileged, just makeup privileged people just realize that you can use a particular. I can't people. I didn't. So it is now. It's only now that you are realizing that you can be using lipstick for something else than. Welcome to our world, people. I've been using lipsticks as contourer, using eyeshadows as powder. Anyways, this is going to be funny. You're using different things. Anyway, let me be.
To think that eyeshadow has to just be eyeshadow and start with contour.
Hey, Tati. The way you are looking, you see you don't have any glow. Okay, I am even loving this Scott because he said he did a whole makeup with just one bronzer, one lipstick. So, and the man is already starting with contouring. He starts with contour without priming. Okay, I love it. Like, it's good for us bargainers. Oh, the less product the better. Oh, the less product the better. People, let me look if I even have what this man is using. Like, he doesn't use primer because he's contouring. This is what I use. So Scott, you are talking my language. This is what I usually use for my highlighting. I don't even know if you saw it. Like, I use a anti-shine makeup on Astor. Okay, and I use it as my highlighter, contour, whatever, because I have a shiny hair. Now they are selling brushes. I'm not buying any brushes. You just said that you don't need too much thing to be beautiful and to have a... Oh, what do I look? People, you know that I'm not a... I'm not a professional. This is going to be like... Anyways.
It's kind of weird, right?
Scott, I don't have that brush you are using. I'm old school. I have this point. What am I going to do? Anyways. We move. The way this man contours the joy. This is going to be my contouring. I'm not going to lie, this is what I use if ever I even do my makeup, because I'm so comfortable without makeup. I can wear my face by myself, but this is what I use if I ever happen to do my makeup. I think I need to do a makeup challenge. So this look is named SNATURAL. Okay, SNATURAL, Dominique, I'm SNATURAL.
But natural.
I love that so much.
It's kind of like Chloe and Hoey.
Yes.
She's pretty, she looks natural, but a little bit more. So she's natural.
So now we have a Juju Calabar face, okay? Like I'm ready to go and fight someone. But I think I have a problem because she has like a small, what's on her face, and I'm like a round face, and he drags the highlighting till here, and this one doesn't really go to this place. Like I thought it was something like a 3, which he's not doing. He just went there, and yep, okay. I'm trying, y'all. I look different already. Who is this?
Like, I mean, she looked.
So many people want to tan. Hey, melanin, no. Melanin deficiency. Anyways, good luck. Now comes the makeup, and he's doing it with, at least I have this brush he's talking, because the whole time I think he's only selling brushes. Oh please, I have some. Let's make up. I'm done blending. I look like I'm really natural. I'm surprised. I'm definitely surprised. Like I can go out like this. Okay, I have some. Anyways, oh, I still have. Okay. Yes, no one can be me. You said something. I love this man already. No one can be you, people. Somebody said, do you? But no one can be. No one can be you. No one can be you. Hold on, you're already blushing. Oh. With my skills, people, with the skills, the makeup skill I have, non-existent, I am impressed. Like, let's move. I'm struggling, y'all. I'm struggling. Like, I think the whole thing is just a brush selling thing. Like, and I have enough brushes, but he's not using the brushes I have. And I feel like if you don't have the brushes, you don't have the result. Oh God, like this is already frustrating. I can see where he's going and where he's coming and whatnot, but this whole brushing thing is not functioning for me. Like, anyways, let's go move. So you went in and added a lot more highlighter before the powder, and I feel like my eyes, they really need some highlighter or a little bit of light. But the more I'm putting product on my face, the heavier I'm feeling. Like, I feel like I'm carrying a kind of load. So so now these people came to draw stocks. He's doing the eyes, and this is my palette I'm using. It's really a drugstore palette. Nothing, I don't even know how much this is, but around 10 euros or 7 euros. So I'm going to try and do something. I really thought he was going to teach me everything, like my first makeup class.
Okay, tell me
He's
more.
just selling brushes.
Spray makeup? Stop that.
Forget the MAC setting spray.
Stop that.
He just attacked the MAC setting spray. Hey! MAC. The only thing that, like, if I'm not using Mary Kay, I'm using MAC product. And he just attacked MAC. Scott. People, I'm quitting because the whole situation is a brush thing, and I don't have the brushes. And the one I'm having, he's not helping me to use it. So if the look is only possible with the brushes, then I'm out now. I am out. Or should I persevere? I still have something like 10 minutes. Should I give him a chance? And like, look, my brushes, I have a lot. I brought people. Like, those can be, look, brushes, everywhere is brushes. And none of this is adequate, is proper to do the makeup. This is not fair. Like, you brought less makeup product and then you are selling brushes again he's not using. Scott, there's something wrong. Like, you say you don't need the light product. I use one lipstick to do that and that and that. You don't need, and at the end of the day you are selling more brushes. This in make. Like, I don't know anything about makeup, but if I know something about makeup, they were the first next to what the brand I'm using, Mary Kay, to help us black people. When I say make, look, from that sentence, I'm just like, I know you are selling your brushes, but you don't have to destroy other people's market. People, my eyes are already tearing. I've been manipulating my eyes too much. Like, my eyes are so red. This is my final look. I don't know if do I have some JLo vibes? Oh, I forgot my lips. So this is my look. How do I look? I don't know. Like, anyways, the contouring method is everything. I'm not buying any brushes, and my eyes are like I feel like I look like a clown and nothing like JLo, round face, everything. I am taking a big L on this one. Like, I feel like, anyways, this wasn't for me. Losing.